We've all experienced it, but instead of just brushing it off, let's tackle it head-on. Today, we're delving into 5 steadfast strategies inspired by Stoic philosophy to not only handle frustration, but to banish it from our lives for good. If you're new to this journey, I have a challenge for you. Hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell to level up your mental resilience and become a stronghold amidst life's whirlwind. So, gear up and let's embark on this transformative journey together. 1. Regulate your desires. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Seneca. Picture this. You desire a promotion at work, but when it eludes you, frustration sets in. The Stoics offer a remedy, the dichotomy of desire. They categorize desires into 2 camps, natural and vain. Natural desires encompass essentials like food and shelter, while vain desires revolve around fame and excessive wealth. The trick is to fulfill natural desires for well-being while approaching vain desires with caution. Human nature tends to crave more money, more recognition, more possessions. Yet this pursuit often leaves us feeling depleted rather than fulfilled, akin to running on a treadmill without a destination in sight. The Stoic approach isn't to shun all desires, but to manage them wisely. Before succumbing to frustration over unmet desires, assess their true significance. Are they conducive to your well-being and growth, or are they merely fleeting desires for social approval? By recalibrating your desires to align with genuine well-being, frustration diminishes naturally. Think of it as a mental software update, streamlining your objectives and sharpening your focus. Simplifying your goals reduces the space for frustration to take root. So, conduct an audit of your desires. Once you clear away the clutter, you'll find life more navigable, driven by purpose rather than the fleeting whims of vain wants. 2. Embrace your destiny with Amor Fati, a Stoic principle that urges you to love your fate. Instead of resisting what unfolds, welcome it with open arms, recognizing every twist and turn as an opportunity for growth. For instance, losing your job could signify a chance to explore new career paths or develop additional skills. Similarly, the end of a relationship, though painful, might pave the way for something even more fulfilling. This doesn't mean you should suppress emotions like sadness. Rather, acknowledge them before reframing the situation positively. Amor Fati liberates you from resentment and blame, fostering a mindset of resilience and acceptance. So, when life throws curveballs, don't just endure them, embrace them. By loving your fate, you invite a newfound harmony into your life, where challenges become stepping stones rather than obstacles to overcome. 3. Direct your attention to what you can control, a fundamental concept emphasized by Stoicism. While you can't dictate traffic or alter the weather, you retain authority over your reactions and mindset. Consider the scenario of missing a train. Instead of succumbing to frustration, seize the opportunity to meditate, listen to a podcast, or simply appreciate the surroundings. In a society fixated on perpetual achievement, it's crucial to realize that life comprises both planned and unforeseen moments, shaping the fabric of our existence. When faced with setbacks, pause and assess whether they fall within your sphere of influence. If not, relinquish your grip and redirect your focus. This shift in perspective is akin to clearing your phone of redundant apps, creating space for what truly matters. Imagine a world where individuals abide by this principle. No more road rage or supermarket tantrums. By concentrating on your circle of control, you pave the way for a calmer, more fulfilling existence. Here's a challenge for you. If you've made it this far, I'm confident you can go all the way. Trust me, the most rewarding part is yet to come in the conclusion. Do you have the perseverance to see this journey through to the end? Prove it by sticking with me until the very last word, and I promise you won't be disappointed. 4. Gain perspective by zooming out, a practice advocated by Stoicism to view situations from a broader vantage point. Think of it like the camera in a movie, panning out to reveal the entirety of the scene. When faced with frustrations, such as a malfunctioning Wi-Fi connection, imagine observing them from outer space, where even bustling cities appear minuscule. This shift in viewpoint can diminish the perceived magnitude of your troubles. Of course, this doesn't trivialize your challenges, rather, it reframes them in relation to the vastness of life. By zooming out, you can better assess the significance of your problems and appreciate the blessings that surround you. This approach doesn't entail ignoring difficulties, but rather evaluating them in the context of the grander scheme. By embracing this Stoic practice, you align with what truly matters, enabling you to confront obstacles with clarity and resilience. So, when confronted with adversity, take a moment to zoom out. You may find that the obstacle is not as insurmountable as it initially seemed, empowering you to tackle it with renewed vigor. 5. Reflect on your mortality with Memento Mori, a phrase that serves as a gentle nudge to live authentically and purposefully. While the notion of death may seem grim, it's a potent reminder of life's brevity and the importance of cherishing every moment. When confronted with frustrations or setbacks, consider the fleeting nature of existence. Will you allow minor inconveniences to overshadow the precious time you have? By integrating Memento Mori into your daily life, you cultivate a sense of urgency, prompting action and gratitude in the present moment. Rather than evoking fear, Memento Mori serves as a catalyst for meaningful living, helping you discern between what truly matters and what is merely noise. Embracing this perspective enriches your days, infusing them with purpose and intentionality. It's a reality check that grounds you in the present, while inspiring you to make the most of every opportunity. As you embark on your journey to tackle frustration, remember that small steps lead to significant progress. By embracing these Stoic practices, you empower yourself to navigate life's challenges with resilience and wisdom. Share your insights with others, for growth thrives in community. Together, let's embrace the Stoic mindset and embrace life's journey with courage and clarity. You're more capable than you realize. For more Stoic wisdom, check out the videos on your screen now. Stay Stoic.